So we just finished putting paint on the wall. The place is like a home now, definitely looking like a home. And we're getting excited because we're getting closer to seeing the finished product. So just ride along and take a look. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the HQ, the headquarters here for Cutz Premium Lawn Care, and also a place for workers and as a home for my partner. So check it. We just finished doing the painting on the walls and everything. We're not close to finish, but we're far from getting started. So I just want to give you a overlook on how we done put paint on this wall and how it's looking at the moment. I'm really enjoying what I'm seeing right now. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. If you guys remember what the place used to look like, it wasn't pretty. But you know what? We're getting it there, and we're getting it done. So come on, see where we at right now. So fam, that's a sneak peek on the paint job. They did a great job. We had to paint it like a lot of times like 3 coats, man, because this house has been vacant for a very long time. So it definitely took 3 times. Wow. So what really took a lot was like that wood. If you remember, they had the wood paneling right there, and we had to paint that junk over and over and over. So, but I like what I'm seeing. It looks really good. And you know, hey, please leave a comment. Comment if you got anything you want to say about the property, your thoughts. Thanks for the well wishes, fam, because I'm definitely getting love from everybody. Also, if you got anything that you would like for me to video, please let me know. I would love to do it. Sometimes I'm running out of ideas of things to talk about, or I just don't know exactly what you guys want to hear. So, all right, fam. Cut on Lawn Cam family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.